Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday here, almost 12 noon. Tara, labas tayo. Pakita ko po sa inyo yung garden ko at mga manok, mga alaga naming manok. Today is perfect day here. Sunny. May na kasi, so it's spring. Ayan, nakapagsampay na ako ng labahan namin. Thank God. Sun is free. I'll show you around. Ayan yung mga, since it's spring, kaya tumutubo na yung mga dahon-dahon sa puno. Nagsisilabasan ng mga dahon. Nagsisilabasan na mga dahon. That's my bench area where I do my garden. Ayan. Yan na yung natapos naming fence. Kailangan namin ng fence kasi we live here in like a country, like a forest area. Kaya ang daming mga deers dito. So, kailangan namin maglagay ng fence to protect our plants from the deers because the deers eat our plants. So, yan, kaya may fence. So, I started planting yung garden ko. Thank God yesterday, it was raining yesterday. So, hindi ko kailangan magdilig today kasi umulan kahapon. Kaya bumibili ako ng mga packets ng seeds sa store, then I plant them. Ayan, ito yung beans. Nagsisimula ng tumubo. I don't know if you can see it, but I hope you see it. Yan yung beans. These are the beans. They're starting to grow now. I think I planted them maybe 2 weeks now or 3. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. So, yan, nag-start na siyang mag-sprout. Mabilis tumubo yung mga green beans. Ito naman yung radish. Yan, yung radish. Yung radish ko. Radish, mabilis din tumubo yung radish. So, yan, mga pots. Tinaniman ko na yan. Ito yung tomatoes. Siyempre, ano pa sila, maliliit pa. Because I just started planting them. Kasi dito, kailangan mag-start ka ng mag-plant by second week of May or third week of May. But since medyo maaga yung spring this time, so I started planting 2 weeks ago. Di pwede din magtanim ng maaga kasi mamamatay sila since it's still cold. The ground is still cold and freeze. So kailangan talaga magantay until mag-show up na talaga yung sun. Ayan, I planted ano ba to? Pumpkin. Ayan, tumutubo na din yung pumpkin. Then that 2 rows there, I planted corns. Then may mga traps akong ilalagay. Traps, mouse trap kasi merong mga daga, mga squirrel, mga chipmunks. Madami yan dito, kaya kailangan din namin maglagay ng mouse traps. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ito, fresh na fresh. That's a mice there. See it? Yan. Yan lang yung naka-disadvantage when you live here. But that's okay. It's fine. So, yep. Yan, may 1 mice trap na tayo. Tatapon ko yan mamaya. Yep. So, I planted potatoes, carrots. Yan, nice. Pwede nyong gumamit ng mga sako. Yan, pwedeng, yan yung lettuce. they started also growing. Yan yung lettuce ko. We have a lot of milk bottles, so I have to use the milk. Any containers pwede nyong gamitin. Yep, so this is my whole garden here. Medyo next year I will request to my husband na palalakihin ko kasi parang maliit lang din para sa akin. Yan. I need bigger space. I need bigger because madami pa rin akong idadagdag na tanim. Alright, we're going next to our chicken coops. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga manok namin. There they are. Say hi, chickens. Hi. Hello. Yan, we have 9 chickens in total. Say hi. Hi. Roosters and 7 hens. Yan yung bahay nila, chicken coop. We also fenced. Lagyan namin ng fence para hindi na sila makalabas. Kasi yung mga neighbors namin dito, they complain about our chickens. So, ayan, nilagyan na namin ng fence para hindi na sila makalabas. Of course, they don't like it, but at least nakakapaggala pa rin sila ng kahit papano. Yep, bye chickens! Bye-bye! See you later! I gotta get some. I'll be back. Ay, nalak ko pala yung pintuan dito sa labas. So, alright. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back again. Kahapon nagluto ako ng sabaw na baka. So, ginagawa ko yung mga ganito, yung onions, I cut them sa pinaka bottom part, tsaka tinatanim ko to. I save them to plant. Tsaka ito, tumutubo to eh. Tsaka yung carrots, yung last part ng carrots, yung ganito, sinisave ko. Yan, I also plant them because they also grow. Yan, so wag niyong itapon, wag niyong itapon yung mga dulo-dulo kasi pwede niyo siyang itanim. So itatanim ko to, carrots. So meron akong itatanim ngayon, today. Nagdadagdag ako ng mga tanim araw-araw. Ito potatoes. Pwede nyo itong hatiin for 2 pieces or 4 pieces. At saka pwede nyo itanim. Pwede nyo ding itanim to. Ganyan ginawa ko last year. So, tumutubo sila. So, when I make soup, kukuha lang ako sa garden ko. Then, itong mga butil-butil ng bulb ng yan, yung mga ganito, onions and garlic, yung mga garlic bulbs, yung isa-isa nito, tinatanim ko din. Then, tumutubo din sila. Yan, potatoes. What else? Ito, natanim ko na sila. So, bumibili ako ng mga seeds sa store. So, I planted them already. I have a lot of sachet here. Yan, yung mga natanim ko na to. To cabbage. Yan, nagsisave ako ng mga grapefruit seeds. Yung mga kinakain ng asawa ko namin na apple seeds, mga grape seeds, orange seeds. Sinisave ko yan. Yung carrots. What did I planted this year? Ito yung mga eggplant. Nagtanim ako ng eggplant. Yan. Beans. Summer squash, yung zucchini. Nagtanim din ako ng tomato. Yan, beans. Mga olive tree seeds, sinisave ko. Tsaka tinanim ko lettuce. Planted lettuce. Ano pa ba? Yan, ito yung mga seeds na tinanim ko. And hopefully they grow fast and healthy. So I have cucumber, I have lettuce, cucumber, zucchini, beans. Ano pa ba? Yep. Corn, yan, corn. Cucumber. Yan. Watermelon, sunflower. Corn. So, ito lahat, naubos ko na. Tinanim ko na to sila lahat. Yeah, so you also have to pray for your plants to grow fast and healthy. So, ask God for His help, of course, para maging healthy sila at tumubo. And ask for rain to summertime here. Mainit din pag summertime dito, lalo na pag parang Pilipinas din, sobrang mainit din. So, yep. Kaya yan, ito yung buhay namin dito. I'm lucky and blessed, and not lucky, but I'm blessed and thankful to my husband that he supported my decision to quit my jobs before. So, I am stay at home. So, inaalagaan ko I look after our chickens every day. Yan yung mga task ko, daily task ko every day. Then this summer, yan yung garden ko, yung pagkakaabalahan ko. So, alright everybody, I already showed you outside my life here. Sana kayo din, kung marunong tayong kumain, di syempre marunong din tayong magtanim. Kaya magtanim tayo, magsikap tayo, para may maani at makain tayo. Right? Huwag umasa sa gobyerno, be self-sufficient, be just do your best and God will do the rest. Keep planting, growing food para may makain araw-araw, and napakaganda ng health benefits din kapag it's all organic. Yan yung mga plants ko, wala yung mga fertilizer. Last year wala mga fertilizer. Ang ginagamit ko lang na natural fertilizer for my plants are my chicken manure, chicken poops, yung mga tae ng mga manok namin. Yan. I use them as my fertilizers. Tsaka yung mga manok naman namin, they're all naturals. No injections, no anything. So no chemicals to my plants and my chickens. Yeah, our chickens also provide us eggs every day. So they lay eggs every day. Maybe mga yesterday I collected 6 pieces of eggs yesterday. So mga 6 ngayong summer, our eggs will have eggs, plenty of eggs every day. All right, everybody. Yun na lahat. God bless and God bless everyone. Take care. Peace be with us. Love you all.